Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk a little bit about the different ways to group and organize your sessions as you start to build up more sessions inside of AoE. Something that we found is that it's nice to have the option to sort by the project that you use. So if you hit the G button, a group modal will pop up where you can either manually type in groups or it will group it automatically by the project, the Git repository that you're in. So you can do manual, or you can hop back to project, and you can also pick the sort order. So you can do, the newest sessions at the top, this attention sorting, which I'll get into later, the most recently activated, the oldest ones, or A to Z, Z to A, all that kind of stuff. Just gives you a little bit more granularity over sorting. And you do that by hitting A, or O is how you open up that modal. So hopefully that gives you some nice granularity to be able to adjust and control all of your different sorting and grouping in AoE. Something else that's handy is if you hit Z, you can archive it, which basically pops it into a separate folder where then you can kind of manage what is happening inside of each archive folder so that you can just come back to it later. And that makes it easier to organize stuff too. So then I can go ahead and pop it back out of archive, and then it will come back to me and it'll go back up to where it was. So hopefully that helps you organize your projects a little bit more.